Let's get over to Mike Eppel at 680. We are talking Facebook. They made so much money in the latest quarter, but a bit of a disconnect now on their stocks and early trades.
A little bit, because the focus has actually been more about Facebook and all of social media and the influence peddling by Russians in the U.S. election campaign. This has been a big topic of discussion on Capitol Hill in Washington for the past couple of days, where the social media company's been grilled by legislators and what they're going to do about this to crack down. Well, Mark Zuckerberg, the CEO of Facebook, has pledged to hire thousands more people to kind of glean the site for potential fake news or political ad peddling. Facebook disclosing that there were 3,000 ads bought by Russia leading up to the U.S. vote. So it's certainly something I got to look into. It's going to cost them a little bit of money to do so, but they can afford it because Facebook made $4.7 billion in a single quarter on more than $10 billion in revenue. Huge numbers from Facebook, and 2.2 billion daily users or thereabouts. The stock's down about 1% in pre-market trade. Tesla is down 6% in early action this morning. Tesla lost more than $600 million in its latest quarter, biggest quarterly loss ever, and they made only 260 of those new Model 3s. That was way below expectations. Got to ramp that up. Elon Musk says they're doing so, but it's just taking longer than they thought. The TSX coming off 4 consecutive record highs, another 3-point gain yesterday. Energy stocks leading. One sector that was down were the two big airlines, Air Canada and WestJet, hit by a couple of downgrades. Air Canada says it is going to expand its fleet of Rouge planes and service after reaching a deal with its pilots union. Send it over to Kevin in the studio.
All right, Mike, thank you very much. And we're looking for the new Fed chair as well later on today, which has just been a bit of a game show up until now.
Yeah, indeed, Kevin. Jerome Powell is expected to be the Fed chair announcement or nominee by U.S. President Donald Trump, who wants to replace Janet Yellen. And if Powell is selected, he would be the first Fed chair in 40 years who is not an economist. He would be a former investment banker and looking to change bank regulations.
What do you need to know about the economy? Yeah. All right. Thank you, sir.